How to fix Messenger not showing active friends. In this video, I will show you how to fix Messenger not showing active friends. First, open or launch the Messenger mobile application. You will land on the homepage of the app, just like you can see here. Normally, you are supposed to see the online status or feeds on this section of your Messenger homepage. Sometimes this feature is missing due to unknown reasons, but I will show you how you can fix it. Tap on the menu icon at the top left corner of the screen. A side panel with several options appears as you can see here. From the options, tap on the settings. It is this option with the gear symbol. This is the settings page of the app. First, check if the active status is on. You can do that by tapping on this option here. After that, make sure both these toggle buttons are enabled just like you can see mine here. If the feature is enabled and still you have the issue, then don't worry, I will show you what to do. Come back to the settings of the page. Next, scroll down. Continue scrolling down to the bottom of the page. Next, tap on this option here named Report Technical Problem. This menu appears as you can see here. Next, tap on this option here, Report Anyway. After that, this other menu appears. From the menu, tap on this other option named Don't Include. Kindly wait for the page to finish loading. Finally, you will land on this feedback box where you have to type a short message. Make sure you explain to them clearly just like you can see here. Finally, tap here, Send, and the message will be sent to the support team. Give them time and they will respond to you with a solution. That is how to fix Messenger not showing active friends.